Now we're going to look at some core resource management. Once you've set up a data store, you're ready to put data items into it. One of the ways that we do this is to go to the resource management area. From there, we have a hierarchical list of all of our resources. The very root level is our organization, in this case Green Training Incorporated. If I click on that, I get an option to add several different items. The first item that I want to look at is templates. When it comes to timetabling later on, templates allow us to create really convenient booking zones in which to use on the front-end interface. So here I'm going to show you two examples. First of all, I'm going to create a template for our day hours. Give it a short name of day, and then select start time and end times for each booking zone. Now we've got the choice of choosing whether the zone lands on one of the days of the weeks, or if it appears throughout Monday to Friday or Monday to Sunday. So for example, my first booking zone is going to be from 9 o'clock in the morning till 10 o'clock in the morning, and that's going to occur through Monday to Sunday. Then I can press the move button to move it to the right hand side of the screen. Now this process is completed for all of our booking slots. So now I'm going to choose 10 o'clock till 11 o'clock and move that over. And then I'm going to have a 15-minute break and finish at 12:15. And this process is repeated. Once you've completed that, you can then press the Add button. Now that's our day hours template complete. I'm now going to add another template, however, which will be the night hours. Now that we have our day hours and night hours, you can easily edit them by clicking on them again. If you need to add in more granularity, you can do that here. To show you what effect this has for the timetable experience, let's go to the timetable area. Now on the timetable interface, you can see that all of the day slots have been added in as timetable zones on the interface. Also note at the bottom of the interface we can change from day hours to night hours. Now let's go back to the resource management and look at the next thing, which is going to be schedules, and I'm going to add this in at the top level, Green Training Incorporated. So I'm going to press Add Schedule, and then we get the following dialog. A schedule are the weeks in which bookings will apply on the timetable interface. So for example, we could split up a year into 3 terms. Give it a short name of T1 and select the data store. We've only created one data store, so I can only select this one for now. Then I tick the weeks to which the term 1 applies. So we've got a 2-week break there. And then that's my term 1 complete, and I can press add. Now this process is repeated until we end up with something like this. Now the other piece of core resource management is to set up a hierarchy. Some institutions have departments, some have faculties, some have schools. But what determines a hierarchy in Timetable Online is basically folders within the resource management. So my training institution is going to have departments, and to set up a department I'm just going to add in a new folder. The first department is going to be the Department of Business. The next department is going to be the Department of IT. The next department is going to be the Department of Art. And that's going to be it for my institution. However, you could have subfolders underneath these.